Welcome. In the heart of Cascada de Camoján, one of the most sought-after residential areas in Marbella, lies this unique and modern villa. Designed by the renowned architect Maurice Sainz, this villa was built very recently on a plot of 1,100 square meters, with a total built size of 785 square meters, all distributed over 3 levels. This magnificent contemporary property stands out for its double-heighted ceilings, a spectacular view of the Mediterranean Sea, even from its infinity pool. Its open-plan kitchen, 4 beautiful bedroom suites, and an impressive garage that can occupy up to 6 cars. This villa is undoubtedly a dream home come true, surrounded in a green area within a gated and secure community, with Marbella's best beaches just down here, restaurants, a wide range of amenities, and even Marbella's international schools.